Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram link in your bio that is not working, right? How you can fix it. So first of all we will go into the Play Store, okay? And let's move to the Play Store, and on the search bar which is on top we will search here Instagram. And after going to the Instagram, here you can see that I have to update this app. So this is very important guys, because you have to use the updated version, because if you're not using the updated version you can find so many bugs and all that, and this may be the reason that why you're not able to use the link, and bio link is not working properly, right? So it will take few seconds, it depends upon the internet connectivity you have, and it will update the app, okay? So guys, you can see that my app is updated and how I can fix it. So let's move to the Instagram where it is. We will just hold and tap and we will go into the app info, and after that we will go into the storage usage and we will clear all the cache here, right? And after clearing all the cache, just open your Instagram app and check it out whether it's working or not. And guys, we will clear all the data here, and make sure that when you are clearing all the data it will erase all your data and you have to re-log in into this app, and this may unload all the waste data and this may fix your problem. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.